How to log in Rediffmail account. So if you want to log into your Rediffmail account, then first you need to open up a browser, any browser that you are comfortable with. And I'm here with Chrome browser. Simply go for the search bar and search for Rediffmail. Once you've searched, you can go for the first search, which is mail.rediff.com. And now here on the upper side, you will have login. So to log into your Rediff, first you need to enter your username on the first blank, or you can also enter your email address. I'll be choosing email address, and then you need to enter your password on the next blank. But if you don't remember your password, then you can go for forgot password so that you can reset or recover your password. But if you remember, then enter your password and you can go for sign in. And once you go for sign in, if your information is correct, then it will log you into your Rediffmail account. So that's how you log into your Rediffmail account. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.